Would you ever believe that there is a natural water body that when you drink or you bathe with it, you get healed of your sicknesses? Well, today I'm taking you guys on an adventure to a natural water body somewhere in Africa, somewhere in Nigeria, in Nnewi Anambra State. This water, this spring water, when you drink it or you bathe with it, you get healed of your sicknesses. But there are rules and regulations. Hi people, today we are going to a spring water somewhere in Nigeria, Anambra State, Nnewi. And this spring water, there are stories behind this spring water. One of them is that it has healing powers. Like you have any sickness, you go to the stream, to the spring water with a pure heart and you get healed. But there are so many other stories, but what will go on, we'll get to learn more about this water. But for now, let's just keep going. We are descending the hill that leads to the water right now. So many stories, so many adventures, so many things to learn, so many experiences. Just stay tuned and watch this video to the end.
Hey, today get more.
Steps no phone.
Steps?
Yes, 39 steps. Me, I got 39 steps.
How are you? How are you?
What do you form more naturally?
Eh?
Form what 39 steps.
Wow.
I know. If no steps are, they can get into a Congo with 39.
Yes.
Yeah, you're heading down.
Wow. How many years now? Like 20 years. You could do really safe if we go to Naro.
My prince.
And I buy it. If I have all of the bad.
One of my prince.
If I have
No, I utilize Eba. We are going to utilize this place.
If I come to Eba and 11 we're making festival. So no put a generator for good at Eba, will you? Of your but I thought I gave you well.
Yeah.
Anybody that comes
to our street.
Anybody that comes can climb down. What we go doing to walk, but we can set steps for people to walk. Wow. People are so now here.
Yeah, but just osisi more. Osisi more. Osisi na ebe. No.
People are the animal of them.
Neno di akwụkwọ na afọ nkwọ na aga for na abụghọji. Di akwụkwọ abụghọji.
Akwụkwọ ji aha dada.
Ọ da do otu an.
Aha do Sunday. Hey, I am going to take one on. No robot.
Hey. Man.
Mkpazị ya bịa kono na ọkwa ọja ndị mmụọ na-ekwu.
The name of this spring water is Mkpazị, located in Akamili, Nnewi Anambra State of Nigeria. One of the don'ts of the water is that you don't fetch the water on Eke market days. The second don't is that a woman in her monthly flow does not come near the water.
think we hear you back here. Open up for that YouTube. Open it for that. Eh? Hey! But that's not going to full of stone.It Galilee. I am a body. And Nnewi will you find what you want to. The one who on the end and then million. If I give them the Agukona Nipa and Eguko Nipa. But after all, chicken will be there. One will. Where's the organizer of Nnewi? I won't move to Mumbo. I am Mumbo. I think if I could allow her card you. Eh? If we give the colors or give a naga, you will put away an album. But that's what I keep I do.
You say,
eh? Now 1 million more, but I give. He's ready to take a year to have your child and who know your child. Eh? It will meet a lot on the you say, hey, okay, me. Okay, one year your card. I got back a nail. Eh? You know what for me in Andaguna? I get up here one day. And I have the mouth. I have go up in Kame, eh? Really wonder. Don't do me in the Azuo. No wonder, mother. Eh? They made the Aluko. I said I can't, I didn't know. If I'm in England, what I'll allow you. You guys did a quiet level. I keep the eye to Yaku. Eh? If I go to the eye, Coconia, Tata. If I hear Cocona, you supposed to leave you.
And this is me climbing the hill to go and fetch the Mkpazị healing water. I wanted to fetch from down, but I was advised by my friend to fetch from up here, directly from where the water is rushing out from for better results.
Chike Igobike, my friend, that if you want to take water from the spring, you go to the head of the water, where it's rushing out from. So, Mkpazị, here we are. Okay. Let's take home the water that heals. So this is the water, Mkpazị Spring water. Taking it home. Yeah. So, hey, we are here. Have to be very careful because
And this is Chike Igobike, one of the tourists getting cleansed by the water.
Okay. This is it.
And here is Joy Emenike TV, another tourist getting cleansed by Mkpazị healing water.
I just for our spring now. At least, imagine what I'm giving power now. I know I lay here, I know it. I wish you would know my ticket. I'm not join one. I know by buying on you. I get by
So, sit at home.
yeah, we try to say what's going on. Not at
I don't want. These guys. Oh, we can go back. So, I won't never know. This boy, why are you? Maybe one door, I got some boy up in 4 years ago. Wow. Hey, I hope you make it. You are while you have all the time. My ball, you come not in car after a month. Could you scam out another?
they can't even know a white.
Oh, I'm not alone.
Not a white. You need to crack him with the tongue.
By saying,
It didn't be.
I don't know.
Hey, Jesus. I enjoyed my movement.
Am I here? We can decide to see if we push a movement towards this direction.
Let's go.